Hello friends, I am Dipshikha. Welcome you in Dipshikhas Karushilp. Today we are going to learn beautiful and easy DIY strawberry fridge magnet. For making this we need Fevicryl mouldit, resin and hardener which comes with Fevicryl mouldit, acrylic colors red and green, 3D outliner and brush and round flat magnet. First, we are going to mix the resin and hardener which comes with Fevicryl mouldit. Apply talcum powder on your palm and take equal quantity of resin and hardener and mix them very well until white. For making the strawberry shape, follow the instructions. This DIY is super easy for all age groups. Now I am giving small dots on the strawberry using pointed object. After all the clay work, let it dry for 1 hour. Here I am using red acrylic color and green acrylic color to color the strawberry. You can use your own favorite colors. After coloring, I'm using now my 3D outliner to give the black dots on the strawberry like a seed. It's already looking like a real strawberry. Now, at last, we need to stick the round flat magnet on the back of the strawberry, and our fridge magnet is ready. So friends, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. You can also check my Facebook and Insta page Dipshikhas Karushilp. Thanks for watching.